In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Etsy desktop account. By the end, you'll have a brand new Etsy account set up on your computer, ready to browse unique handmade and vintage finds. All you need is a web browser and access to the email inbox you plan to use. Start by opening your browser and going to Etsy.com. Make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and select Sign In. This opens the sign-in window, which also includes the option to create a new account. We'll use that to get started from scratch. In the sign-in window, choose Register. A simple form will appear. Enter the email address you want associated with your account, your first name, and a secure password. Use an email you can check right now because you'll need to verify it in a moment. For the password, aim for a strong mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it generate and save one for you. Take a quick look for any optional preferences that might appear on the form and adjust them to your comfort level before moving on. After submitting the form, Etsy sends a 6-digit verification code to your email. Keep the Etsy tab open, then open your email in a new tab or window. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folders. When the email arrives, note the 6-digit code and return to the Etsy tab. Enter the code exactly as shown and continue. Codes can expire, so if it doesn't work, request a new one and try again. Once your code is accepted, your Etsy desktop account is created. You're ready to explore, favorite items, and personalize your experience at your own pace. Remember to keep your password and codes private. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Etsy account.